Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you and demonstrate using the historic lighthouse behind me the Quickshots that are available on the DJI Mini 2. Now 4 of the Quickshots that I'm going to show you today are available on the Mini 1, but we've got one additional one reserved just for this model. So if you don't know what a Quickshot is an automated flight mode pre-built within the DJI app, where you can lock onto a target and the drone will do a variety of flights, so maybe straight up or a diagonal or a circle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about each one step by step, and then I'm going to show you exactly what it does and how you activate it in the Fly app. So let's get started. Right then everybody, we are battling a little bit of wind today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the drone up in the air.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I'm going to get back a little bit. Right, so I'm going to demonstrate the Quickshots. Right, so let's go into here and go to Quickshots. So these are the Quickshot options you've got on the Mini 2. So Dronie, Rocket, Circle, Helix and Boomerang. So 4 of those are on the Mini 1 as well. Boomerang is just on the Mini 2. So as you can see, we're going to select our Dronie and you can select the distance that it's going to go away. Now because it's quite windy, I'm going to stick to the shortest one. So we're going to put ourselves in position. Right, and then we're going to use our finger to draw a box on the screen, and then that we're going to click start.
2, 1.
You're going to see me any second. And this is all automated. And then once it's complete, it's going to come back to the home point. There we go, coming back to the home point now. So the next one we're going to select the rocket. And what that's going to do is we're going to select the top of the tower. And then what that should do is that should raise above the tower and then go upwards. So let's start that now.
3, 2, 1.
And that's that one completed. So now the drone's going to return to its home spot. Right, so we're back where we started. So let's try the next one. So the next one is Circle. That is obviously pretty self-explanatory. So obviously on screen you've got the options to go left or right as your starting position. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to get too much height here. I'm going to draw a box through the centre, and then we're going to click start.
3, 2, 1.
Back to the home point. So the next one is the Helix. Okay, now I'm going to keep that relatively short because, like I say, it is quite windy. So I'm going to scroll to the top, and then I'm going to select the top of the tower again and click start.
3, 2, 1.
So with Helix, it's going to circle around the top, and it's also going to ascend at the same time. returning to the home point. Right, so the next one and final one, we're going to try the boomerang. So once again, we're going to select the top of the tower, and that's our focus point. And then let's click start.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, failed there. Let's start again. Gain some height to make it easier.
3,
right, start again.
2, 1.
So as you can see, it's just going to swing itself out. The drone is doing a really good job. It is very windy today. So despite that strong wind warning, it's still doing the job. And we're going to return back to the starting position. That has done a fantastic job of keeping that in focus given the strong wind. Right, so that demonstrates the quick shots. We're going to get it landed. Right, hopefully you enjoyed that quick shot tutorial on the Mini 2. Quite cool, isn't it? So obviously, again, these just take away some of the flying modes that basically DJI think that you might want to do, and obviously just make them automated. And let's be honest, the technology, believe it or not, can fly. It's so much better than what you can by hand. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Once again, as usual, if you do fancy buying one of these, or indeed the Mini one, which is still a capable drone, don't forget there is some buying links in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos that I've posted where we've been testing this little gadget here, and see you on the next video.